Hello, I'm Surinder Johal, and I'm the Director of Safety here at Imperial College. And I'm here to answer the frequently asked questions that people have on safety. So keep watching. Your safety and well-being is central to our planning for the new academic year. Imperial has COVID-19 experts who are actually advising governments all around the world and actually developing a vaccine. And we are actually drawing on their expertise in order to make the plans to keep you safe. When you arrive at the college, you can expect to have a welcome pack, which contains 3 cotton face masks and some hand sanitizer for you, and also some wipes. We are actually adhering to a social distancing rule, which means that we will keep people 2 meters. Wearing face coverings is also going to be essential in certain parts of the college. For example, in the lecture theatres, in the libraries, the shops, and when you are walking across campus. You also have a role to play in trying to control the infection by accepting and adhering to the rules, by wearing your face covering when it's essential, by regularly washing your hands, and by cleaning equipment that you might be sharing with other people, both before and after use. Yes, we are now cleaning regularly, and we have additional cleaning of what we call key contact points. These are things like door handles and call points on lifts. We're also making sure that you have sufficient hand washing facilities, and we also have some sanitizer dispensers which have sensors, so you don't have to touch anything. If you show any of the symptoms of COVID-19, such as high temperature, persistent coughing, or loss of taste and smell, then you need to isolate yourself and also inform your course tutor. You also need to contact the NHS and request a test. And if you're living in halls, you need to let your hall manager know. If your COVID-19 test proves negative, then you can carry on doing the activities that you normally do. However, if it turns out positive, then you need to isolate yourself for 10 days. If you are in halls of residence, you will then be provided support to maintain your self-isolation. And if anybody else across the college has the disease, the college has some very safe processes and procedures to ensure that the infection does not spread college-wide.
We have an NHS healthcare centre on our South Kensington campus. It's really easy to register with a doctor, and this year we've made it even easier with online registration. As soon as you know where you're living, whether that's in our halls of residence and you've been allocated a hall and a room number, or in private rented accommodation, you can register online. Check out the Health Centre's website for more information. Upon starting your course at Imperial, your academic department will have lots of induction information on how to use the online platforms that you'll be engaging with throughout your time here. If you find you're facing any issues with this, or you're concerned about any behaviours you see online, you can get in touch with your academic department directly. Our ICT division also run a Be Secure campaign, which has lots of information about how to stay safe online.
The Student Counselling and Mental Health Advice Service is here to support you with any personal or mental health issues you may be facing. And there are 3 different areas of support that we offer through our service. The first is counselling, where you can meet with a student counsellor to explore and reflect on any issues that may be affecting your well-being. And these could be things like academic issues, low mood, anxiety, depression, self-harm, low self-esteem, loneliness, or bereavement. We also have a team of student mental health advisors who work with students with moderate to severe or enduring mental health difficulties. And we also have our mental health study mentors who offer specialist support to students with both mental and physical health difficulties, helping them keep on top of their academic work. The service is here to support all students at the university, and we offer more than just one-to-one appointments. We have our wellbeing workshops, which look at stress management, procrastination, sleep and mindfulness. We have an online Connect group, which is facilitated by members of our team, but it's just a safe space where students can come and share their experiences and get some peer support. And lastly, we have our Kind Mind video series, where we host chats with the counsellors, mental health advisors and study mentors on different key areas of wellbeing which apply to us all. We all have days where we feel down, stressed out or overwhelmed by something going on in our lives, and it's really important that we therefore have the tools and resources ready for when these feelings crop up. and our service has these resources and supportive networks for you, whatever you're feeling. We know it can be really daunting opening up to someone about how you're feeling, but if your struggles are impacting your daily life, then we would encourage you to seek some support. We're a friendly team, and we would welcome you to an appointment where you could have an open and non-judgmental chat with a professional who could help you. But if that's just not quite right for you at the moment, then there are those other areas of support that we provide as a service. For example, our Kind Mind series would allow you to engage in common mental health and wellbeing issues in your own space, in your own time. And we have an upcoming Let's Talk About Mental Health webinar series where you could listen to a counsellor talk about a particular topic and then engage in an anonymous Q&A session at the end. So these are great things to get involved in.